Hi everyone, how are you all? You all are welcome to our channel. In this video, we will know about some terms associated with trading. Capital gain. Any profit or gain that arises from the sale of a capital asset is income from capital gains. There are two types of capital gains. First one, short-term capital gains (STCG), and second one, long-term capital gains (LTCG). In WealthSimple trade, you don't have to pay tax, but in case of US holdings, you have to pay tax from the dividend. One more thing, if you buy US stock, then from Canadian to US conversion, you also have to pay some percentage on buying and selling in both cases. Second term, dividend. What is dividend? A dividend is the distribution of a company's earnings to its shareholders and is determined by the company's board of directors. Dividends are often distributed quarterly and may be paid out as cash or in the form of reinvestment in additional stock. Next one, ETF'S. What is ETF'S? An exchange traded fund. ETF is a type of pooled investment security that operates much like a mutual fund. Typically, ETFs will track a particular index, sector, commodity, or other assets. But unlike mutual fund, ETFs can be purchased or sold on a stock exchange the same way that a regular stock can. An ETF can be structured to track anything from the price of an individual commodity to a large and diverse collection of securities. ETFs can even be structured to track specific investment strategies. Next one is bond. What is bond? A bond is a fixed income instrument that represents a loan made by an investor to a borrower. Here, who is borrower? Typically corporate or governmental. A bond could be thought of as an IOU between the lender and the borrower that includes the details of the loan and its payments. Bonds are used by companies, municipalities, states, and sovereign governments to finance projects and operations. Owners of bonds are debt holders or creditors. I hope today you got some informative video. If you are new to this channel, then must subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. And stay tuned. Thank you.